Okay guys, we did it. We did it. 30 days of paintings are done, and now you have all of these tiny little works of art, and you could be like me and just toss them all in a bucket. But if you don't want to do that, I came up with 10 different things that you can do with your little paintings. I'm sure some of you have even better ideas than this, so absolutely feel free to mark them down in the comments and show me what you got. You can share on the Facebook page and show each other what you've been doing with them as well. But we're just gonna get to it. I have got my warm mug of tea, and I've got my candle because no matter what I'm doing, I want to make it a cozy space. And let's get into 10 different things that you can do with your artwork. Here's the first one, these little tiny easels. So this one comes in a little 10 pack, which might be more than you need until you start thinking about gifting, right? So in this one, here I brought a little shelf over so I could show you. Isn't this so sweet? So maybe your mom loves birds. Wouldn't she love this? Over by her vanity, by her sink in her bathroom, maybe in her kitchen by her coffee mugs. Adorable, cutie little gift, because what happened is it's personal because you made this, right? Okay, so adorable little easels. That is number one. Number two, okay, I love these. I got this little, here, I got this little 4-pack of frames like this. So you're gonna get a bunch of them. They're sweet. I think there's a couple color options. They're perfectly sized for this. And on the back, you see that you've got this, which means you can put a little hook. Not only can you set this one down, let's use my shelf again, on our little shelf, right? But you also could hang it on the wall, which I love options. So that's why that one is really cool. I think it's beautiful. Here's our cupcake in one. Here is one of our different designs that we did with when we challenged making changes. I love them. I think they're adorable. Potentially my favorite, but I'll say that about all of them. Okay, so that was number two. Pickles and I are here to show you number 3, which is this one, her favorite because it involves string. Isn't that true? Yes, you gotta get down. Okay, so it involves string, but that's not the main part of it. It's these little teeny tiny clothespins. They're blue because cute. Oh wow, they match my nails today, don't they? Okay, and then you can put them on your little paintings. Dun, dun, dun. It doesn't matter which one, and make a whole line of them. So let's try it real quick. So you got to get your string. I could have prepped this first, but I just wanted to hang out with you just a little bit more. Okay, so one, and you're just clipping it over the, I'm going to divide up the color just for fun. I would do equal distance if you're actually, you know, doing this to hang up versus doing it for a little video. I don't know what you're doing. I'm just kidding. Okay, 1, 2, we're going to get, I'm going to do 4 of them, and then we'll be done with this section. 1, 2, 3, 4. I love this kind of stuff. I've done this all along the way. You can hang this in your art space. And so now you're inspired by the work that you have been able to do, because honestly, it feels amazing to remember what you're capable of and be really proud of yourself. So love this one too. And that, I think, was number 3. Here we are with number 4, which is these little cute sticky frames. So you need something to put it on, but I think the sky's the limit with that. I am tending to think like a planner or something. And then notice that our artwork fits perfectly in the inside, tiny bit of extra space. And then you peel this off of that white backing, and you can place it however you want on your little journal, on your kids' folder for school, on a gift that you made for someone, and now it's got your artwork and it's changeable. Cute, right? I don't know. I think this has some really cute possibilities, and this comes with a bunch of them in the pack. All right, on to the next. Here is idea number 5. It involves some tape, and you're going to tape together your little paintings. So you'd think, well, that's really simple, right? But don't do what I did. That's not the best way, because when you fold them, so then you would be able to store them as a little cutie little, right? Like accordion style thing, but you can see that in between. So I think instead you should take a little piece of clear tape. Some of you are going to have a better idea because I think you do this with Kelly Blue In. I always want to say at Let's Tangle, but I don't know if it's that or Minutes of Zen. But then you can put your clear tape instead, cuter, more flexible, and then you can't see it. So I would do it with the clear tape. Let's just do like 1 or 2 more real quick to see what it looks like. Because I think a real big row of these would be like really, really cute. And then this is just for you. It's cute to think what you could do. You could like have that running along the back of your desk, your dresser, a windowsill. I mean, you know, cute little options for that. And I got 1 more here and then we'll look at it. It's kind of a simple way. It doesn't require much. You probably already have some tape. Okay, looks like this. Or, oh look, I still didn't do that one yet, so it's not as flexible. Or it's like a little accordion. Very cute, right? Okay, number 6. I think this is one that you've maybe already thought about, so you probably have a really cute way of doing it, but here's how I did it, is I bought this little package, and it has a bunch, I don't know what they call it, but it's just these like brown, it's like a postcard, right? It was the front of a card. So I didn't do it where it's doubled and the card opens, but obviously cute choice, right? And I have a couple ways to show you this one. I mean, this, just putting it up top center. If I do this, I mean, you can write happy birthday, little greeting on the back. If I'm gonna put it up here, I want to put it up at the top is what I keep finding. Equal space on the top 3 sections. Kind of reminds me of like a Polaroid. Of course, that would be shorter, but cute, super cute to do it this way. You could do it on a card that opens. I'm just showing you with a couple of different ones. Like, that's really cute. I want to receive that from somebody if they've hand painted it. And then here's another version of that where I took these little brads. See what that is? These teeny tiny ones that stick through the back like this. But here's my warning. First of all, look, it's not perfectly straight. That's because details bug me sometimes, right? So what you could do to make that easier is like mark your spots, take a thick needle, more like sharp but thicker maybe, and stick a needle through there if you can through both of them first. Stick your brad through and you're good to go. Did I do that? No, I did not. I tried to use this little X-Acto knife and I got really annoyed. So do it the other way. And then you'll have cards. Super cute. This must be another favorite because I've been excited to get to this one. So take all of it. I have a few more supplies for this one. See if you can guess what it is. Scissors, string, any color you want, a hole punch, and a little ink pad with a stamp. It's this. It's little gift tags. Just a hole up in the top. Don't be too precious about your artwork. Do you know why? You can make another one. You're the artist, right? So punch a hole right in the top of it. I've got a tiny hole punch or this bigger one, and you can turn it into a gift tag. Now here's a cuter way. Well, not cuter, but an addition that you can do to it. Let me see here. I'm going to take my fatter hole punch because I don't know if I can quickly fit the string through the smaller one. Oh, this time I'm going to put it up in the top left corner instead. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to do the whole thing really quick. I'm going to grab some string, cut it. Yarn is so cute. Picking your colors to match wrapping paper. Maybe you choose a really neutral wrapping paper for the holidays this year because then you can put any artwork on the top and it's going to like coordinate with it. Okay, so I have done my little tag. I punched a hole right in the corner. Yep, and it's gonna kind of put it on a diagonal, but then I didn't get into my artwork here. And then this is what's cute. This is what I just bought, is a little to from stamp. And I had to get a stamp pad. I tried watercolor paints. I don't know if I can show it to you. I don't know if I have any of them. I don't know where I tried it at, but it didn't work. It got it very fuzzy, which is not cute for words. So taking this, putting it in my stamp pad, and a little to from. So if you did it on the table instead of on your hand, you would have the letter T in front of O. Oh dear. Anyways, super cute, right? And then I love, because they're tiny and you can just, that's an easy way to gift them in a way where it's not the only gift. It's just a little beautiful part of it. So that was number 7. All right, here we are with number 8. And number 8 might involve some of your little paintings, and then also might involve using some from your printable with the instructions or the little tip for each day. So we're coming back to that same journal for a moment. Maybe you did this to it, I don't know. And then you can, so this little journal that I got, it comes with all these little corners, which is so cute. And so you can put the corners in and it can hold your artwork like this. So you can put next to each other. I think you can maybe fit, let's check it out. Yeah, you can fit 4 to a page if you wanted to go this way with it. But maybe, and some of you are already doing this because you're all very smart and cute, is where you can put this up top with the little corners. And I will just show you how the corners work. Is you take the little sticker off. I'm gonna do it with this blue one. And then, can I do this backwards on tape? No, I cannot. So I'll just show you. I'm sliding it over the corner and it's on there. And I'll do that 4 times really quickly. I was gonna just do it 2 times, but I think if I did that and stuck it on there, I'm not sure how easy it would be to get them on later on. I think it's, you gotta put them on ahead of time and then stick it on all at once. So here we are. I've got it like this, and I will place it here in the center. I'm sure there's lots, oh, okay, hold on. It's not the same size as the one above it, so I gotta line it up, guys. Oh no. Okay, well, if you stick the stickers to your fingers, you might move them. It's okay. We'll get there. Okay. Pretty cute, right? Then you have a whole book, and if you want to get it out and refresh yourself on your tips, and like, I would coordinate it with the one that you did for the day. So that is number 8. We're here with idea number 9, and it uses our same supplies. I always love that, right? And there are 2 ways of doing it. So this is for a place card holder. So let's say you're hosting the holidays at your home, or a party, a birthday party, anything, and you wanted to, we would use the exact same piece of paper that we did for the cards, but we'll kind of center this, fold it so that it's equal spacing all around it, right? And then you can set it on your table like this, and that's just kind of cute. Or I did another one, same thing. Notice also, I wrote the name right over it. So when we say don't be precious, you're the artist, you can make more. You can do 15 of these at a time, have a fun little time doing them all together, let them all dry, and they're exactly for this event. So that is one. Here's another where I wrote the name right up top instead. And you could have your place setting, right? And put that right on top of the plate. I think that would be really adorable. Look, round thing. That's cute. I like it. Placeholders. My kids were like, why don't we do that? And I thought, I think we will this year. Here we are with number 10, and number 10 is very similar to what we have done here. So if you've done this and created a booklet by making these all the same size, which we already did, we used our 3" by 3" squares, right? And then you're gonna take your hole punch and punch right into the corner. You can use a big binder ring. I wish I had one of those, but I don't in this moment. Or you can just tie it and keep them all together. You'd be doing the same thing. Here, I'm gonna punch a hole in a couple of these just so we can see it. Ooh, how many is too many to punch through when it's thick watercolor paper? I don't know, but you might want to mark it first too. So actually, no, we're not gonna worry about that. Just try for close-ish together. And then you're gonna take your string, cut your string with your scissors. Always cut a longer piece of string than you think you need. You can always cut it, can't grow it. Know what I mean? I'll stick this through here, And then if you've got all of your paintings on here, it's going to be so cute. And then you could just look back at them later. Like if this is something you're like, I don't actually need to go through them later, I feel good to go, you can do this. So then you'll have one of these and one of these together. I hope that was helpful. I hope you found some really cute little ways to either display your artwork or gift it. You know, just give it to someone. Be brave and do it. They're going to love it because it's from you, and that's some of our most meaningful gifts in life. So one more reminder is that what makes you an artist and gives you the title of artist is that you're making art. That's it. So go on and make some more artwork, and thanks for hanging out with me. You guys are awesome.